Hello everyone and welcome back to Brainwave Broadcast Nexus. Today we're exploring 10 potential reasons how humans could vanish from Earth. From natural disasters to technological threats, let's dive in. Starting with a grim possibility, pandemics have historically devastated populations. A highly contagious and lethal pathogen could spread globally, overwhelming healthcare systems and leading to widespread mortality. Imagine a virus so potent, so stealthy that it circles the globe before we even know it exists. Hospitals, already stretched thin, would be overrun, borders would close, cities would become ghost towns, but it would be too late. The virus, a microscopic enemy, would move silently from person to person, leaving devastation in its wake. The Black Death in the 14th century wiped out a third of Europe's population. The 1918 influenza pandemic killed an estimated 50 million people worldwide. Today we live in a globally interconnected world. A virus can travel from one continent to another in a matter of hours. The next pandemic could be sparked by a naturally occurring virus, a laboratory accident, or even a deliberate act of bioterrorism. The question isn't if another pandemic will occur, but when. Our impact on the environment continues to escalate. From climate change to deforestation and pollution, environmental catastrophe could render Earth inhospitable for human life. By burning fossil fuels at an alarming rate, we're releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and altering Earth's climate. The consequences are already being felt around the world, from more frequent and intense heat waves to rising sea levels and more extreme weather events. Deforestation is stripping the planet of its lungs, releasing even more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and destroying habitats. Pollution from industrial activities, agricultural runoff and plastic waste is contaminating our air, water and soil. The Earth's systems are interconnected. Disrupt one and you risk triggering a cascade of unintended consequences. Melting glaciers, raging wildfires, more powerful hurricanes are symptoms of a planet under stress. If we fail to heed these warnings, we risk triggering runaway climate change. The question is, will we listen before it's too late? The threat of nuclear war remains a chilling possibility. A global conflict involving nuclear weapons could cause mass destruction, radiation fallout, and a collapse of societal structures. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 should have served as a stark warning to humanity. The world's nuclear powers possess arsenals capable of destroying human civilization many times over. The doctrine of mutually assured destruction has kept the peace for decades. But what if rationality fails? What if miscalculation, accident, or the actions of a rogue state shatter the fragile peace? The initial blast would vaporize entire cities, killing millions instantly. The fires that followed would release massive amounts of soot and smoke into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into a nuclear winter. The radioactive fallout would contaminate the air, water, and soil, causing cancer and other radiation-related illnesses for generations. We must find a way to eliminate these weapons before it's too late. Chapter 4. Artificial Intelligence Takeover. Advancements in artificial intelligence bring benefits but also risks. A scenario where AI surpasses human control, leading to unintended consequences or even a takeover, is a futuristic but plausible concern. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, from self-driving cars to facial recognition software to algorithms that can diagnose diseases. AI is already transforming our world. But what happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? What happens when machines become capable of thinking, learning, and making decisions on their own? The potential benefits of AI are undeniable. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, but the risks are equally real. An AI system designed to optimize for a specific goal might pursue that goal in ways that are harmful to humans. The development of artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits humanity, not harms it. Chapter 5. Asteroid Impact. A large asteroid colliding with Earth has the potential to cause catastrophic damage. It could trigger tsunamis, fires, and alter the climate, posing an existential threat to human civilization. The dinosaurs were wiped out by an asteroid impact. A massive rock slammed into Earth with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs, triggering tsunamis, earthquakes, and wildfires. The impact released so much dust and debris into the atmosphere that it blocked out the sun, plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. The threat of an asteroid impact is not just a relic of the distant past. Astronomers estimate that there are hundreds of thousands of asteroids larger than a football field orbiting near Earth. A large asteroid impact would have devastating consequences. The impact itself would release an unimaginable amount of energy, instantly vaporizing everything in its immediate vicinity. The heat from the impact would ignite wildfires that would rage across continents. Scientists are constantly scanning the skies, searching for potentially hazardous asteroids. Chapter 6: Alien Invasion. While speculative, the concept of extraterrestrial life encountering humanity poses intriguing questions. An advanced alien species could view us as a threat or resource, leading to potential conflict or subjugation. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with billions upon billions of stars and planets. It's statistically improbable that we're alone in this vast cosmic ocean. The possibility of an alien invasion is a reminder of our own vulnerability. Chapter 7. Solar flares or cosmic events emitting high-energy radiation could disrupt Earth's atmosphere and technology. Such an event might cause widespread power outages, radiation exposure, and infrastructure damage. The sun constantly releases bursts of energy and radiation, some of which reach Earth. Occasionally, the sun unleashes a massive burst of energy known as a solar flare or a coronal mass ejection. If Earth is in the path of one of these solar storms, the consequences can be severe. The radiation from a solar storm can disrupt radio communications, damage satellites, and even pose a threat to astronauts in space. A major solar storm could cripple our communications systems, financial networks, and transportation infrastructure. Chapter 8: Overpopulation and Resource Depletion. Human population growth strains Earth's resources. If unchecked, overpopulation could lead to food shortages, resource wars, and societal collapse, making survival unsustainable. The Earth's resources are finite. Today there are over 8 billion humans on Earth, and that number is projected to continue to grow. This unprecedented population growth is putting a strain on the planet's resources. We're consuming resources at a rate faster than the Earth can replenish them. Overpopulation and resource depletion could lead to a cascade of interconnected crises. Food shortages could become more frequent and severe, leading to famine and conflict. We must find a way to stabilize the human population and transition to a more sustainable way of life. Chapter 9: Supervolcano Eruption. Supervolcanoes, like Yellowstone in the United States, pose a significant threat. An eruption could release ash and gases into the atmosphere, causing global cooling, crop failures, and widespread devastation. Supervolcanoes are massive underground reservoirs of magma. When the pressure inside these magma chambers becomes too great, a supervolcano erupts, releasing unimaginable amounts of ash, gas, and molten rock into the atmosphere. The immediate effects of a supervolcanic eruption would be devastating. The ash cloud would spread across the globe, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. The long-term effects would be even more severe, causing global temperatures to plummet and leading to widespread famine. The eruption of a supervolcano is not a question of if, but when. Chapter 10: Existential Risks from Advanced Technology. Advancements in biotechnology, nanotechnology, or other fields carry unknown risks. Mishandling or unintended consequences could lead to global pandemics, environmental disasters, or societal destabilization. Biotechnology holds immense promise, but also carries the risk of creating deadly pathogens. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, but also carries the risk of creating self-replicating nanobots. Artificial intelligence has the potential to surpass human intelligence, leading to unintended consequences. We must proceed with caution, developing safeguards and regulations to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Outro: a call to action. These scenarios are speculative yet grounded in scientific possibility. As we navigate the complexities of our world, understanding these risks can inspire us to work towards a resilient and sustainable future. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Until next time.